So unless you are accumulating right now, today is not the day to be looking at the charts. It's a bloodbath. It is what it is. You know, between the jobs report, the stock market sell-off, it is making the market do some very, very strange things, and we'll get through it, right? But let's talk about this genius move that is taking place when it comes to Cardano, which is going to be a reason why it is a mainstay in crypto and may lead even to further blockchain adoption when it comes to Cardano. So this has to actually do with the United Arab Emirates. So if you guys remember, what was it, like last month, I believe, or the month prior, we actually had this big partnership that was signed with the Entre Rios region of Argentina. This is going to help foster blockchain adoption and development, help really the Cardano blockchain get integrated in a big way in their infrastructure, which is a big deal. But what actually happened is there was actually a meeting with United Arab Emirates Ambassador Saeed I don't know why I try to pronounce his name, Kemsi, and Charles Hoskinson, as well as the Governor Rogelio Frigerio. And what they were actually discussing was the Cardano summit that's coming up in Dubai in October of 2020, or October 23rd through 24th, and also exploring bilateral cooperation focusing on financial investment and commercial development. So this is obviously a very big deal when it comes to the Cardano blockchain, because Cardano is trying to work its way into the foothold of all these different crypto developing regions throughout the world. We're starting to see, you know, different regions interested in buying Bitcoin, using it as a store of value, adopting blockchain tech and utilizing it in infrastructure. If you guys haven't noticed, Cardano has really been the only one to try to get in at the ground floor and help with education. We've seen this in Africa, we've seen this in the Philippines. And while some of this may seem like humanitarian stuff, you know, just getting people involved in crypto in general, there's actually a very strategic play for this. If you are the blockchain that runs the world, are you going to be the blockchain that gets the most adoption? And the answer is yes. This has always been the big focus for Cardano, and you can't help but be impressed by this genius play, by this movement to get adopted in a much bigger way. Because again, it works its way up, it integrates itself into its people, and then we're talking a very different story. Now you need to understand that this is the long-term play, right? This isn't, you know, trying to get people utilizing Cardano native tokens right away, or meme coins or NFTs or things like that, but it's what spurs further adoption and development for those products and services. All right, it's possible we start to see some of that this cycle. It's possible it happens next cycle. It's all going to depend on how fast this adoption of blockchain in general begins to take off. Don't think that we're not seeing interest here, because Cardano is from countries around the world. And this is the big reason why I say the Cardano blockchain and ADA they're not disappearing, they're not fading away, they're not getting passed by other tech. Nobody is doing this move right now. That's what you need to understand. So although there's days like today where there's chop in the market, although we deal with bear markets, although we deal with retracements, and there are also exciting times too, know that when we're talking about 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, the one that really has one of the best chances to be around and be this big utilized entity, it's Cardano. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. This is very exciting. Obviously, I'll keep you guys updated on this more. The cool thing about the Cardano summit that's taking place in Dubai is they're inviting in world leaders from around the world to help promote this blockchain utilization and development. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.